Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get Alpha Magmortar in Legends Arceus. First, you'll need to find a Magby in the Cobalt Coastlands, specifically in the Firespit Island area. Catching a Magby is the initial step towards obtaining this formidable Pokémon. Once you have your Magby, you'll need to evolve it into Magmar, which happens at level 30. This process sets the stage for the next evolution. After your Magby reaches level 30, it will evolve into Magmar. To get Magmortar, you need a Magmarizer. These rare items can be found within space-time distortions that appear randomly across the Hisui region. Alternatively, you can trade merit points for a Magmarizer at the trading post in Jubilife Village. Keep an eye out for these distortions, as they are key to your progress. Once you have both Magmar and the Magmarizer, simply use the item on Magmar to trigger its evolution into Magmortar. This powerful Fire-type Pokémon boasts impressive special attack stats, making it a valuable addition to your team. Remember to check its moveset and consider which attacks best suit your battle strategy. With Magmortar, you're one step closer to your Alpha goal. To get the Alpha Magmortar, you'll need to head to the Alabaster Icelands. Specifically, look for it in the Bonechill Wastes area. Alpha Magmortar is a static encounter there, meaning it will always appear in that location once you meet the conditions. Be prepared for a tough battle, as Alpha Pokémon are significantly stronger. Check the description for a link to grab Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals to keep your car fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.